With cooler temperatures around the corner, I wanted to give you an option if you're looking for a new fragrance. Maison Margiela's Replica by the Fireplace is a warm and spicy unisex Eau de Toilette fragrance. This was launched in 2015 with the goal of unlocking your memories of sitting by the fireplace in the midst of winter. Upon spraying this Eau de Toilette on my neck, I was greeted by an intense peppery and sweet scent. As the fragrance began drying on my neck, the smoky chestnut notes began to shine. I truly believe olfaction plays a crucial part in our memories and emotions. This warm and intoxicating scent brings me back to winters as a child. I love decorating the house for Christmas, seeing all the presents wrapped under the Christmas tree, sitting near my wood-burning fireplace, taking a peek into my Christmas stocking, and enjoying a cup of frozen hot chocolate. Yes, frozen. I was never a fan of hot chocolate. I had so many happy moments revolving around the fireplace and winter as a kid, and the scent was able to let me relive those experiences. This warm and cozy Eau de Toilette fuses the smoky burning scent of guaiac wood, cashmeran, and clove oil. The accords and particular scents that shine through to produce this woody scent are chestnut, which adds that lingering roasted smell. Cashmeran adds a woody base that complements the guaiac. Clove offers a spicy inflection with smoky notes. For more detail of the notes, I'll list it on the screen and read it from the website. The top notes are pink pepper essence for spiciness that's fresh and vibrant. It adds to that roasted and burning effect. Orange flower absolute, and clove oil. The middle notes are chestnut accord, guaiac wood oil, and cade oil. The base notes are vanilla accord, which is warm and sweet. According to the website, vanilla is known to elevate mood and help reduce negative emotions. The sweet notes of vanilla reinforce the warm and cozy sensation that this unisex perfume exudes with a subtle sweetness. Peru balsam resinoid, and cashmeran, which has that strong wood base smell. As with any perfume, everyone's preference varies. If you're giving this as a gift, get them a small one so they can try it out. If you know anyone who adores warm, woody, spicy scents, Replica by the Fireplace may be the best option for them. It comes in 3 sizes, which I'll read from the website. There is a 3.4 ounce, which is $165. That is the full bottle. You have the 1.05 ounce, which is $85, and the 0.3 ounce, the travel size, which is $35. I got this as a gift set that's still available on Sephora, and I'll link it below. It comes in 3 sizes, so the one I've been showing you is the 30 milliliters. I also have this smaller one. This is the travel size. It's perfect for anyone who wants to try it out. It has a substantial amount in this, and I've had this for over a year. The one thing I don't like about this is it doesn't have a cap, so you can't particularly take it many places with you. It just has to stay at home, unfortunately. This one, on the other hand, does have a cap, as you can see here. So this cap here, and it has an open funnel on top that you can just put on your wrist. And this travel size I have taken with me during my work travels because it's so convenient. With all the restrictions on how much liquid you can actually bring with you on a carry-on, I take this whenever I go to conferences or meetings that are domestic. It does have a cap, I love that, and it has a normal perfume spritzer there. I'll show you a close-up of this because the full size would also have the same sticker in front. And it also has this rope detailing as well. So it says replica, and then let me read. It says reproduction of familiar scents and moments of varying locations and periods. So originally by the Fireplace. The provenance and period is Chamonix, 1971. Fragrance description, burning wood and chestnut. Style description is memory and a fragrance. And it also says Maison Margiela, Paris. I will have to say that this ebbs more onto the masculine side of the spectrum. It's pretty strong for an eau de toilette. It does linger for quite some time depending on how much you spray on your body. For me, since I am pretty petite, I usually spray on the top of my head if I'm meeting people and a lot of hugging is involved. Otherwise, I spray it on either side of my neck, and if there's anything left over, I rub it on my wrist. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.